Techserv CNC system's based around a PC with a Trio motion controller. We're currently using Windows 11 PC, so it's the standard off-the-shelf PC. So if your PC has a difficulty and needs upgrading or replacing, that's fairly easy to do. Because it's a PC, if you hook it across a network or a wireless network, then we can log in remotely using a service such as TeamViewer. This allows us to gain access to your controller with your permission, and if you've got any issues or need some training, then we can sort of log in and help. We also have a few diagnostic screens on here. If you click down here, there's a secret button down on the bottom left hand side. This will pop up a window that allows us to see the inputs and outputs. So we've got the analog voltage coming down here. We've got inputs on here on the left hand side, and if we operate a switch, we can see that switch function. So that's the AVC head-up limit. I'm operating there. Next one's IHS switch. So we can test the functionality of switches. We can also turn things on and off, so turn the plasma on, and we can see that the plasma argon sensors come on there. Fans, gas, all sorts of things. So by clicking on these buttons, we can test the functionality of features. We've also got the ability here to reconfigure the inputs. So if an input gets damaged, you can then move the wire and reconfigure it using these buttons here. DCC allows us to test the plasma, that's direct current control. We can test the link to the plasma and see if there's any error messages. Test joystick allows us to do to use the machine with a joystick, so you can use a machine with a wireless or a wired PlayStation PC type joystick for moving the thing around. These are functions we don't need to use on here at the moment. Drive reset is for systems with EtherCAT drives. So some functionality in here which is useful to have for diagnostics.